Hi, I'm Bill. I want you to do something right now. Think back to the last time that you had a strong, reliable erection. Now, really think about it. Now, tell me honestly, do you believe that it's gone forever? If you answered yes, stay with me because I want to share something with you. Here's what most men believe about ED. They believe it's a normal part of aging. They believe their best years are behind them. They believe their only options are pills, injections, or acceptance. And here's the devastating truth about those beliefs. They're not just wrong, they are actively making your problem worse because what you believe about your ED, that determines how your body responds to it. And here's something that can help with that. If you've been telling yourself that your sexual function is permanently gone, stop saying that. That single change sounds simple, but it changes how your brain responds to the problem. I know this because I had believed the same thing. I had 2 heart attacks. I convinced myself that my best years were behind me, gone, and that intimacy would never feel the same again. And I want to tell you honestly, that was one of the most damaging things I carried, not because it hurt my feelings, but because it was directing my body toward the outcome that I feared. Imagine 2 men with the exact same physical condition. One believes that it's permanent, and the other believes that it can be improved. Now, which man's going to take action? Which man exercises? Which man improves? Here's the truth. Your belief changes your behavior, and your behavior can change the outcome. Now, in a few minutes, I'm going to give you the one thing that I want you to start doing today. But first, I need to tell you, if you're experiencing ED and you have not seen a doctor, make that appointment. Now, I'm telling you that because the research has proven that men with ED are more likely to have a heart attack or a stroke down the road. I know it firsthand. I had my first heart attack in 2018 and my second one 6 months later. So go get yourself checked. Now, I want to talk to the man who's asking the question that most doctors don't answer. What else can I do? Now, here's what most of the doctors, they don't tell you. Medication addresses your symptom. It does not address the problem that produced that symptom. Now, a pill might help you achieve an erection, but it does not strengthen the muscles that maintain your erection, and it does not restore the organ health that supports your sexual energy. For that, you need something different, and that starts with what you choose to believe. Now, here's something that you can start doing today. The next time you start thinking that your ED is going to last forever, I want you to say these words. ED is a signal. It's not a sentence. My body is trying to tell me that something needs attention, and I'm learning to respond to it. This isn't just words. It is the first step in changing how your body reacts. So every time you catch yourself believing that ED is permanent and you replace it with this is a signal, you are interrupting the pattern that has been working against you. So do that today, and then do it again tomorrow and even the day after. You're not hoping, you're training your brain to send a different command to your body. And that matters more than most men realize. Now, if this makes sense to you, there's a link below this video that explains my complete program. And you can check it out after we're finished here. But let me leave you with this before you go. The man that you were at 40, he's not gone. He's still there. Let me show you how to bring him back. So go down to the link and click on it. And be sure to hit subscribe because this is only one of the tools that I publish every week. And I'll see you when you click on that link.